Hello and welcome to the Bridges Lofts in Bettendorf, Iowa. I'm going to give you a virtual tour of a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom floor plan. It is our 8-1 floor plan. Very spacious. You've got, right when you enter, you've got room for a table, an entry table, or some hooks or shoe storage. You've got a closet to the left when you enter. Gives you added space. Off to the right is one of the bedrooms. It is a split floor plan. Does offer the barn style doors that slide. You've got ceiling fans, industrial ductwork. So there is a double closet in this room. Nice double closet. It's got an accent wall. You've got your full-size washer and dryer and a large closet in the hallway. Extra shelving and additional storage space. Gives you an abundance of space to store things. You've got the guest bathroom here. I'll turn on the lights there for you. You've got the linen closet, which gives you a lot of storage for towels and products. Tub and shower combo in the guest bathroom. You do have your kitchen and living room area combined here. So your kitchen comes with the full kitchen appliance package, including ice makers, automatic ice makers in the freezers. You've got adjustable shelving in the cabinetry, which is really nice. You've got some wine racks or mail storage, dishwashers. They do come equipped with garbage disposals. There's spray nozzles, soap dispensers. So this is a second floor unit. You do have a view of the bridge. Unfortunately, you cannot see the river from here, but the higher up you go, the better the view. So this is your view from the second floor. From the kitchen area, you do have added counter space on this side. This leads out to your living room area. Got a huge walkout deck. So I can't express how large and long this deck is. It's really long. I would say at least 15 feet or so. Give or take a few. This view does wrap around, so you've got views from all angles. I'll show you in the bedroom once we get there. Here's a long view of the living kitchen area. We're going to walk into the master bedroom. I love the view from the master bedroom. It's one of my favorite views. Again, you've got the bridges. When you go over to this window, you've got a view of our courtyard, which has the pool, a jacuzzi. You've got some, sorry, I should have showed you some green space to play cornhole bags. You've got ceiling fans. This goes into the master bathroom, which offers a double vanity. You've got the stand-up shower. And a huge walk-in closet. This is an amazing closet. Goes all the way down. You've got room for a large dresser, chest of drawers, even inside your closet. So this is our 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment home, number 246. Thank you for joining me.